Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to be finishing the repair on this car. So the last problem I have is that this bumper is sagging a little bit over here. And that is because this clip over here has one of the clips on the side of it is broken right over here. I did already replace this clip, but since these things are cheap plastic, I broke it as I was taking it off. So today I'm going to replace it. And now it is looking a little bit better. The mount for the crash bar has to be pulled up still to get this gap fixed a little bit. So now that the bumper and the crash bar are completely off, either this is bent too far back because of the wreck, or this up here is bent too far out. So after a few hours of working on this is as close as I got. These panel gaps are now a lot better than what they used to be, and I'm going to leave it like this. So thank you so much for watching. I bought another wreck that I will be repairing on this channel, and that's what the next video is going to be about. So please leave a like and subscribe.